Hi guys, so here I have S.E.A 2022 section 3 number 37. I want you guys to pause the video and try this question for me before I do the working. Indira had 90 pence. She kept one third for herself and gave a quarter of the remainder to Q. She shared the remaining pence between Allison and Yvette, such that Allison received 9 more pence than Yvette. How many pence did Allison receive? So we know she kept one third for herself, right? She had in total 90 pence and she kept one third. So how much did she keep? One third, right? Now they gave us the total amount of pence, so we can find this out easily. We know one third multiplied by 90 over 1, we will get 30. Simplify it here for you guys. 30, right? So this is what she kept, right? So we're gonna draw a little diagram here. Right, we're breaking it up into trees because we know she kept one third, so we work it in thirds here, okay? So this part here is what she kept. She kept 30, right? So if she kept 30 here, we know these two here have to add up to 60, right? So we know it's 30 and 30, right? So now let me show you where this 30 and 30 come out from here. So we know she gave a quarter of the remainder, she gave a quarter of the remainder to Q, right? So Q is equal to a quarter, and Allison and Yvette is equal to 3/4, right? Multiplied by this. We multiply by this, 60. Okay, because when we add up Keon and Allison, we're supposed to get 60 because they are getting the remainder from what she gets, okay? Multiply by 60 over 1. When we 1, 15, 15 by 3, 45. 45 pence. Okay? So we know that Allison and Yvette got 45 pence. Okay? Keon obviously got a quarter, so she would get 15, right? Now this is where the unequal sharing comes in, okay? So we have Allison and we have Yvette, right? Both of them are getting the same amount, except for the fact that they said Allison got 9 more pence than Yvette, right? So they both have a box plus 9. Okay, so now we have to find out. How much box is. Okay, so using this here, we can form an equation which will be 2 box is equal to 45 take away 9. How we get this, right? We know Yvette and Allison got 45 pence together. We want to know how much out of this 45 did both of them get. So this is where we're finding off a box, right? So 45 take away 9 is equal to 36. Okay, now we can find out box. Box is equal to 36 divided by 2, which is equal to 18. Okay, now remember this is box is equal to 18. So Allison here, right? Yvette is getting 18, right? Allison is getting 18 plus 9. So now we're going to find out that, right? So we're going to find out for Allison. Allison is equal to 18 add 9. And we will get 27 pence. So you see guys, unequal sharing is really simple. You just need to work each step out slowly, and with practice we'll be able to do this without hesitation, without fear.